Hello everyone, welcome to the video series of shlokas. In this video, I am going to initiate everyone with Narasimha Kavacham. So for Narasimha Kavacham, the items required are diya, it may be Panchamukhi diya or whatever diya is available at your home, and there must be a bhog or naivedyam for Narasimha. I have kept an apple, you can keep any fruit like that, and there is Narasimha Tirtha. So you can keep any tirtha which is available at your place, that is the nearby temple tirtha you can keep for Narasimha Kavacham. I have kept Narasimha Tirtha from Mulki, and there is Narasimha Murti. You can see Narasimha Murti here, Narasimha with Lakshmi. So these are the items required for Narasimha Kavacham. The step 1 is Narasimha Abhisheka using the Narasimha Tirtha while chanting the Narasimha Raja Mantra. So we will start. Om उग्रं वीरं महाविष्णुं ज्वलन्तं सर्वतोमुखं नरसिंहं भीषणं भद्रं मृत्योर्मृत्युं नमाम्यहम् ॐ भूर्लक्ष्मी स्वकालकर्णी तन्नो लक्ष्मी प्रचोदयात् ॐ उग्रं वीरं महाविष्णुं ज्वलन्तं सर्वतोमुखं नरसिंहं भीषणं भद्रं मृत्योर्मृत्युं नमाम्यहम् ॐ भूर्लक्ष्मी स्वकालकर्णी तन्नो लक्ष्मी प्रचोदयात्. So you have to do the Narasimha Raja Mantra 3 times, and 1 time you have to take the tirtha for yourself. Om Ugram Veeram Mahavishnum Jwalantam Sarvatomukam Narasimham Bhishanam Bhadram Mrityum Namamyaham Om Bhur Lakshmi Swakalakarni Tanno Lakshmi Prachodayat. So after taking a sip of Narasimha Tirtha, that is when you start the Narasimha Kavacham. Before we start, I would like to tell my audience that the lyrics for the Narasimha Kavacham is there in the YouTube video description and also in the comment section. So you can see the Narasimha Kavacham lyrics there. I'll be pasting both the Sanskrit version and the English version of the Narasimha Kavacham. So we will start it right now. Om Shri Narasimha Kavacham नरसिंहकवचं वक्षे प्रह्लादेनोदितं पुरा सर्वरक्षाकरं पुण्यं सर्वोपद्रवनाशनं सर्वसम्पत्करं चैव स्वर्गमोक्षप्रदायकं ध्यात्वा नरसिंहं देवेशं हेमसिंहासनस्थितं विवृतास्यं त्रिनयनं शरदिन्दुसमप्रभं लक्ष्म्यालिङ्गितवामाङ्गं विभूतिभिरुपाश्रितं चतुर्भुजं कोमलाङ्गं स्वर्णकुण्डलशोभितं सरोजशोभितोरस्कं रत्नकेयूरमुद्रितं तप्तकाञ्चनसङ्काशं पीतनिर्मलवासनम् इन्द्रादिसुरमौलिस्तस्फुरन् माणिक्यदीप्तिभिः विराजिता पदद्वन्द्वं शङ्खचक्रादिहेतिभिः गरुत्मता सविनयं स्तूयमानं मुदन्वितं स्वरुत्कमलसंवासं कृत्वा तु कवचं पठेत् नरसिंहो मे शिरः पातु लोकरक्षात्मसम्भवः सर्वगोपीस्तम्भवासा फालं मे रक्षतु ध्वनिं नरसिंहो मे दृशो पातु सोमसूर्याग्निलोचनः स्मृतिं मे पातु न हरिर्मुनिवर्यस्तुतिप्रिय नासा मे सिंहनासस्तु मुखं लक्ष्मीमुखप्रिय सर्वविद्याधिप पातु नरसिंहरसना मम वक्त्रं पात्विन्दुवदना सदा प्रह्लादवन्दितः नरसिंह पातु मे कान्तं स्कन्दो भूभरनाथकृत दिव्यास्त्रशोभित भुजो नरसिंह पातु मे भुजौ करो मे देववरदो नरसिंह पातु सर्वतः हृदयं योगिसाधिश्च निवासं पातु मे हरिः मध्यं पातु हिरण्याक्ष वक्ष कुक्षिविदारणः नाभिं मे पातु न हरिस्वनाभि ब्रह्मसंसुत ब्रह्माण्डकोटयकट्यं यस्यासो पातु मे कटिं गुह्यां मे पातु गुह्याणां मन्त्रणां गुह्यरूपद्रक उरुमनोभव पातु जानुनी नररूपद्रक जङ्गे पातु धराभारा हर्तायो सोनुकेसरी सुराराजा प्रद पातु पादो मे न हरीश्वरः सहस्रशीर्षपुरुष पातु मे सर्वसस्तनुम् महोग्रपुरतः पातु महावीराग्रजोऽग्नित महाविष्णुर्दक्षिणे तु महाज्वालस्तु नैऋतो पश्चिमे पातु सर्वेशो दिशि मे सर्वतोमुखः नरसिंह पातु वायव्यां सौम्यां भूषणविग्रहः ईशान्यं पातु भद्रो मे सर्वमङ्गलदायकः संसारभयद पातुर्मृत्युर्मृत्युर्नुकेसरी इदं नरसिंहकवचं प्रह्लादमुखमण्डितं भक्तिमान्या पटे नित्यं सर्वपापै प्रमुच्यते पुत्रवान् धनवान् लोके दीर्घायुरुपजायते यं यं कामयते कामं एवं तं तं प्राप्नोति संशयं सर्वत्र जयमाप्नोति सर्वत्र विजयी भवेत् भूम्यान्तरिक्ष दिव्याणां ग्रहाणां विनिवारणं वृश्चिकोरगसम्भूता विशापहरणं परं ब्रह्मराक्षसयक्षाणां धूरोत्सारणकारणं भूर्जे वा तालपत्रे वा कवचं लिखितं शुभं करमूले धृतं येन सिद्धेयुः कर्मसिद्धयः देवासुरमनुष्येषु संसमेव जयं लभेत् एकसन्ध्यं त्रिसन्ध्यं माय पठेत् नियतो नरः सर्वमङ्गलमाङ्गल्यं भुक्तिं मुक्तिं च विन्दति द्वात्रिंशति सहस्राणि पठेत् शुद्धात्मनां नृणाम् कवचस्य मन्त्रस्य मन्त्रसिद्धि प्रजायते अनेन मन्त्रराजेन कृत्वा भस्माभिमन्त्रणां तिलकं विन्यसेदस्यु तस्य ग्रहबायं हरेत् त्रिवारं जपमानस्तु दत्तं वार्याभिमन्त्र्य च प्रसायेद्यो नरो मन्त्रं नरसिंहध्यानमाचरेत् तस्य रोगः प्रणश्यन्ति ये च स्युः कुक्षिसम्भवः किमात्र बहुनोक्तेन नरसिंहसदृशो भवेत् मनसा चिन्तितं यत्तु सतच्चाप्नोति संशयं गर्जन्तं गर्जयन्तं निजभुजपटलं स्फोटयन्तं हठन्तं रूप्यन्तं तापयन्तं दिवि भुवि दितिजं क्षेपयन्तं क्षिपन्तं क्रन्दन्तं रोषयन्तं दिशि दिशि तततं सम्मरन्तं भरन्तं वीक्षन्तं घूर्णयन्तं सरनिकरसतेर्दिव्यसिंहं नमामि इति श्रीब्रह्माण्डपुराणे श्रीप्रह्लादोक्तं नरसिंहकवचं सम्पूर्णम्। ॐ उग्रं वीरं महाविष्णुं ज्वलन्तं सर्वतोमुखं नरसिंहं भीषणं भद्रं मृत्योर्मृत्युं नमाम्यहम्। ॐ भूर्लक्ष्मी स्वकालकर्णी तन्नो लक्ष्मी प्रचोदयात्। ॐ उग्रं वीरं महाविष्णुं ज्वलन्तं सर्वतोमुखं नरसिंहं भीषणं भद्रं मृत्योर्मृत्युं नमाम्यहम्। ॐ भूर्लक्ष्मी स्वकालकर्णी तन्नो लक्ष्मी प्रचोदयात्। So after the Narasimha Kavacham and Narasimha Raja Mantra, what you have to do is, you have to apply the Narasimha Trita, that is below the Narasimha's feet, and apply it all over your body. Especially the Kundalini areas, chakras like Anahata Chakra, Vishuddhi Chakra, Agna Chakra, Sahasrara Chakra, so that any negative entities or doshas will be removed by Narasimha himself. So Narasimha is especially known for protection from all kinds of black magic, all kinds of negative entities that are bothering you. That is especially the Pitrus, that is sometimes our Pitrus will not like us, sometimes they will love us. So to get rid of all such entities, we are using the Narasimha Kavacham, and also there are some enemies who will send different entities towards us to attack us. So that's why we have to do Narasimha Kavacham or any Kavacham that sort every day. You can do Kalika Kavacham, Narasimha Kavacham, Rama Raksha Stotra, Hanuman Chalisa, whatever it may be. You have to do it every day so that you are protected from all kinds of entities, and also you have to give bhog to Narasimha or whichever deity you are doing the Kavacham of. And this video belongs to the Slokas playlist, where I upload slokas and I initiate Kavacham every birthday. That is, today is my birthday, and that's why I am giving the initiation of Narasimha Kavacham, as many of my students face many entities attacking them, and also many of my students face their relatives or friends trying to harm them. Narasimha Kavacham helps us in all the ways, because that is how he loves us. You can see how comfortably Lakshmi is sitting with Narasimha. That is how our soul sits with Narasimha. Even though Narasimha showed his fierce nature to Prahlad's father, that is Hiranyakashipu, but towards Prahlad, he was still in the face of Vishnu. So that shows how Narasimha is. Narasimha is only fierce to the enemies, to the adharmic people, but towards you, the soul, he is very loving. He always shows his fatherly nature to the dharmic people, to the ones who love him very earnestly. So that's why we have to love Narasimha like a father, and he will take care of our soul from any loka. You may be in Narakaloka or the highest of the highest lokas. He will take you towards moksha or the Muktisagara, which is beyond all this maya. So let us pray to Narasimha that he protects us every day. And also, I hope all of you chant Narasimha Kavacham every day to protect yourself and also your loved ones from all kinds of negative attacks. So thanks for watching this Narasimha Kavacham video. I hope this video has brought some light to your consciousness, and we'll meet in the next video. Jai Mahakal. Om Shram Narasimhaya Namaha. Jai Narasimha.